What's up everyone, and welcome back again. In today's tutorial I'm going to iron it out to you on the how to place a trade, like maybe market order or limit order, and also explain to you the leverage on the small account and also on the big account. But before we get started, let me quickly take you back to I receive a lot of messages on the IDO launch pool, which I promised to drop, but currently I'm still working on it. You guys should allow me to breathe at least little. Let me work on it, and I'm going to trust me. I'm going to release everything, but let me show you what is actually delaying it. So as you can see, this is the back end of my website, and as you can see, this is it. This is the IDEO tutorial. Look at this. It's not actually not on public yet. I'm working on it. I'm still writing on it. Look at it. The last modification was modified today at around 12:21 a.m., which is the night. So let me kindly take you there, and let me, because I want you guys to understand everything, not only the video. You should also see some basic things, because there are some things that I need to iron out, write out, so that you understand very well. It's very important, and I wish, I also urge you guys to be a little patient. Trust me, I'm going to start releasing it this week once I'm done with it, because trust me, this is Sunday. I'm recording this video on Sunday, and before ending of this week you should have at least 5 or 4 videos. So I'll just want to make the video randomly release. I don't want to over as in, I don't want to just release the video that you guys will keep asking questions. So every question you will ask, we will want to ask, I want to answer it in this. And that is the reason why I come up with this plan, that okay, let me do the writing up. If after the writing, in case you still have some question, I'll just come over here and put your answer, every answer you needed. So this is it. And as you can see, as at today, look at it, the topic will be, look at the topic, the IDO best IDO launchpad, and look at them here. So I'm going to talk about all these step by step. There are many, they are almost like 20 or 17 like that, in case you find any opportunity in each and every one of them. But still, I'm still going to separate this. But so look at the one I released yesterday, though I, due to some of your pressures on me, some people are just giving me pressure. So let me just visit the site here. Let me click here and visit the site. Let me visit the site, so I'll show you that yeah, I'm actually working on it. As you can see, this is it. This was the one I released yesterday, though I'm not done with it, but due to your pressures and whatever, I just decide to, okay, let me just release this. So I am actually writing it I'm actually writing it manually. I'm not using any form of AI to write it. I'm writing it manually. This is a blog post, and which I just released this because, so that those who keep mounting pressure on me, I'll just send the link and just go and read about it, and why wait for the video. So let's head over to our main tutorial for today. So now let's assuming I found opportunities in this coin, which is people. I this is Let's assume I see the market here. I said, okay, if I want to I see the market here, and the market is still on the support level. Let's assume I am now saying that if the market reach the resistance level here, that if the market reach here, sorry, if the market reach here, it come down here, it will flash down. So I will now place my order here, limit order here. I'm going to place my limit order here, and once the market reach here and the reverse back, I will be on profit. So this is let me show you how to place it. Let me take you to but before that, if to those of you that are always asking which platform I use on trading, this is what I do. I only use Mexi exchange on the new listing coin. On my normal coin trading, I use Gates.io or Binance sometime. but mainly I use Gate.io because their server network is very good. You will notice that Mexi, their server is not good, always having network challenge, and I keep having this challenge with them. Even if I place a trade, sometimes I will take profit and I will later find out it's on lost. Sometimes once the coin flash, it will just take me out of the market, and I will notice that it has triggered my profits and I will see minus. So this is bad attitude about Mexi. If any of their representatives is watching this video, they should actually work on their network. Their network is discouraging me. So let me take you to the Mexi exchange and show you how to put the limit on. So let assume this is the coin I see, and I now say that okay, if the market comes flash up here like this 1275, that's if the market comes here and the market will come down again. So let me set up my limit order. I'll just click here. But before I go there, let's quickly iron this out. Some of us are still having challenges in setting up our leverage. This is our leverage, and it's very important to understand that the leverage that you are using for the sake of the purpose of your fund, in case you have a less than maybe small fund that you are trading on, please ensure that you lower your leverage. Do not over high your leverage. Like someone that use leverage of 200, yeah, he actually used to leverage of 200, and within a blink of his eyes the money is gone otilo. So look at it. If I use this now and I risk maybe like $100, if the trade goes on my way, I will make triple, not even triple of my money. I will make a lot of money. Let me just put it that way. I will make a lot of money. So, and if I put it like this, if the trade goes on my way, I will still make money, but not the way I'm. And with this, I will be able to stay in the market for a long time. Sometimes the market will go on the other way before it comes your way. So that is how it is. Now, after I now assuming that I predicted the market, that the market is going up before it return back, I will now put it here like this. This is let's say I have set up my leverage here. I want to make use of maybe one box or something like that. I will first of all set up my limits here. This place, if yours is on market, I only use market when I want to trade new coin, and which we are going to discuss in our live charts today. So I only use this sometime, but not always, because even trading new coin I also use limit order, so which I'm going to explain to you that today. If you if you join our Twitter live chat. So now I now assume it that if the market come to 7.5, that the market will come down. Yeah, I will now choose. Let's assume I have a sum of maybe $300 here, deposit here. Here, I will now choose the percentage of fund I am ready to lose. Yeah. So now I will not choose, maybe because the reason why I'm using cross margin here is because I'm using it for just new coin flashing, blah blah like that. So only the money I am ready to lose, that is what I deposit here, and once I made a profit, I take it out to where I use it for trading. So I don't keep a lot of funds here. So now what I do is, let's say I pick 25%, but this is just how I trade. This is how I trade. I always go for this. Let's say I pick 25% of it. Now I will now press this short. You see this place, you need to put it open here. You need to click it on open here. It should be here. That is how you'll be able to have access to it. So now it's now dictating me that here is it, blah blah. I'm going to risk $4 for USDT and blah blah. I'm going to enter with $4, but mind you, if the market go against me, it's going to touch my my other fund that I have there. So I'm only risking $25. But if I don't want to risk about more than $5, I will change this place. Instead of using cross, I will change it to isolated. So meaning that any amount I use for that, maybe for I use this $4 for this trade. Once I have minus $4, I will be out of the market, and I hardly get out of the market no matter what is it. So, and that is the reason why I use this. So it now depends on you. I can't say which is better, but this is just what I use. Remember, I said I only put the money I am capable of losing in this, which I'm using this strategy like this. So now I have set up my limit order here, that if the market goes up and reach 1275, that is going to come down, it's going to start selling. I will now press this sell, open short. I predicted that it's going to sell. I will now press this open short, then it will short. Now it will now place me on order. This is it. So now if I want to place my take profit here, I will come here. Sorry, I will press this place. I'll press this place. I'll press it here like this. You see this take profit and stop loss. Now let's, all I do is I only put take profit. I also put stop loss, but not always, since I already made up my mind that this money, once it's gone, it's gone. Sometime I put like 200 bucks or 300 bucks, or sometime I put like 100 bucks, which I'm capable of losing. Once it's gone, it's gone. So now what I will do is I will now put my TP 0.0, maybe one, okay, let's say 0.001. So now I will now say that if market bounce back and comes to this, it should take me out of the market. And if the market goes up and touch this place, and I'm already in the market profit, and the market is now coming back, once it reach this place, it's going to take me out of the market, and I'm going to make this profit, which is $4. This is how to set stop loss TP. Let's assume I now say, okay, I'm not ready to risk, since I'm still I'm still a newbie. I want to put my stop loss. I'll just press 0.1280. No, sorry, 0.01280. So now I said if the market reaches here and the market keep going, once it reach this place, it should take me out of the market. That is why I put. But if the market reaches here and comes down and reaches here, it should take me out of the market, and I will make $4. And here I will lose 18 cents here. I'm going to lose 18 cents. Or I can increase it, that 0.095, or let me say I want to lose just $1, $3, or something like this. Now I'll put my stop loss here, that once the market reaches and still going up to this extent, it should just take me out of the market. Maybe that is it. This is just how I trade the market. Now let's assume I am now in profit and I want to close the trade. There will be a trade here. Okay, I'll place live trade now. So let me cancel this. Now I have cancelled this. Let's assume this is it. Now let me check the candle and see what the market. So now the market is currently going down. So let me place the order. Let me place the market order here. Market order. You see the market is pushing down heavily. What I need to do is this order, I need to just click on this like I did 22%. Then I'll now place this order. So now currently I'm in the market. Look at it here. I am in the market, and look at it. Once it start counting, it's you see I am in profit now. I'm in little profits. Let's check how many percent. I'm in 0.8% now. Now let's let me go back. if I want to close my trade, is either I use close this or I use close all I do is if I close all, it's going to show me that yes, I am about to lose. If I am in loss, it will show me here I'm about to lose, and if I'm in profit, it will still show me that yes, I'm in profit. So if I want to close my, okay, I am done, I am in profit, I will close it. I will just press here, close all, flash like that. And this is how to place limit order, and when you wait for the market. Now let's go again, let's go here again. For example, if I notice that the market is in uptrend here, and I want I want the market that if the market okay, for example, let's assume I noticed the market was here, and I'll now say, okay, if the market reaches here, it should put me in the market. I'll still put my limits that the market will goes up. So now this place is giving me 0.011978. Let me go here. I'll come here to limit. Look at the network I'm talking about. Look at it. Their network is very bad always. So I will now just press here. I will change this from market order. You see, when I wanted to place trade, I use market order to execute the trade instantly. But I will now change this, go to limit order. I will now say, okay, once it's reached this, maybe let me take it down again. That's once it's reached maybe 0.0. Okay, let me check again. Sorry. Now let's assume I say if the market comes here, this place here, it should take me. All I need to do is to change this from close to open. Once I open it, I will now press it. I will now press this long. I'll now press long. So now if the market comes here and it will take me to the market, it will immediately flash me. And if the market is now reversing back, I will be in profit. And all I need to do is either I should set up my take profit, or I will just come back and check the market, and once I'm in profit, I'll just move out of the market. Like this now is yet to enter the, so let me just close it. Let me close it. You see, I've closed it now. Let's assume I have set this limits, the buy limits. I'll press this place. Okay, if the market comes here, it should take me. I'll just press this. Okay, it asked me to include. Now I have put the amount I'm about to lose to the market. I will now press long. You see, so now it will now take me to the order here. That if the market comes down, and once I go to the chart, I check it, it's gonna show me where I place my order. It's gonna show me. I'm coming. Let me check it to 1 hour time frame. Look at it where I put my limit order here. Look at it. Look at where I put my. Once the market comes here, flash down here and trigger up, I will be in profit. This is how to set stop loss, the limit order on the market, and that is everything you need to know about trading of 13. So if you still have any question regarding to this, you can still ask, and I will make explanatory again, but this is just everything you need to know about it. So I am using only MEXC for new exchange, for new coins listing here, like all these this coin leverage. So but if I want to trade my own normal trading, which I do take out trade sometime, I will go to get.io, or sometime I use Binance. So all these exchanges, I already have funds in them. I have funds in almost like 6 to 7 exchanges like that. In case I found any opportunity there, I'll just go. In case I want to participate in arbitrage, I'll just go there. Let me even show you. These are the exchanges I use. Look at them here. All these exchanges, those are the exchanges I use. So this is just so, and I will humbly appreciate if you actually join our live chat today for us to iron out our pending talk. We actually talk about the two-way no loss strategy, which we will start giving the we are going to start giving signal in our Telegram platform. And also for the meme coin traders, I will start giving signal on the Twitter. I'm not going to put that. And for the forex, I also want to appreciate some of the our team members that are putting up together to help others, and I really appreciate them, which we are going to talk about everything today. So do like and join us for it. And the reason why I make use of this Twitter is because so that we will be able to speak each and every one. In the YouTube, I'm the only one that's do the speaking, why you only type right, and sometimes I do miss. But this, you are going to have access to the mic. Each and every one of you will take the mic and talk, ask your question, and we will be able to interact together. So see you then.